Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine. Welcome to my channel Drawing Time with Story. Today I am going to show you how to draw a sunflower with some very easy steps. Just see carefully what steps I am doing, then let it go and you will definitely draw a pretty sunflower. While drawing, let's listen to a story about sunflowers. Once upon a time, the earth was even more beautiful than it is today. The water was pure and deep, reflecting within itself the sunlight which gave life to all the creatures beneath the waves. The earth was green with many kinds of trees and plants. These gave food and shelter to the birds, the animals, and to all mankind. The people of the earth lived close to nature. They understood it and honored it and never took more than what they needed from it. The people lived in peace, so they prospered and began to build many nations all around the world. But one day, a terrible thing happened. A strange spirit of greed entered the hearts of mankind. People began to be jealous of one another, and they were not satisfied with all the good things they already had. The nations wanted more and more of everything: more land, more water, more resources. They squeezed precious minerals from the earth to build terrible weapons to defend their nations from other greedier nations. They killed one another. They polluted the air and the water with poisons. Nature began to die. This is called war. War is ugly. It destroys love and hope and peace. Then one day a magical thing occurred. The birds of the air, the animals of the land, and the creatures beneath the waters came to an agreement. If they were to survive, something would have to be done to stop these wars. Only through peace could their world survive. We cannot speak the human language, they declared, and mankind can no longer understand ours. We must find among us a symbol of peace so brilliant that all who see it will stop and remember that peace and sharing are beautiful. I am what you need, said a golden sunflower. I am tall and bright. My leaves are food for the animals. My yellow petals can turn plain cloth to gold, and my seeds are many and are used for food by all living beings. Yet the seeds I drop upon the ground can take root, and I will grow again and again. I can be your symbol of peace. All nature rejoiced, and it was decided that the birds would each take one sunflower seed, and then they would fly over every nation and plant the seed in the earth as a gift. The seeds took root and grew, and the sunflowers multiplied and multiplied. Wherever the sunflowers grew, there seemed to be a special golden glow in the air. The people could not ignore such a magical sight. Soon they began to understand the message of the sunflowers, so they decided to destroy all of their terrible weapons and to put an end to the greed and to the fear of war. They chose the sunflower as a symbol of peace and new life for all the world to recognize and understand. I hope you enjoyed the story very much. The story is about peace of mankind. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, stay connected with me, and if you have any suggestions or opinions, please let me know in the comment section. Like, comment and share with your friends. I will come back soon with my new drawings and my new story. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye. See you next time. Wish you have a very good day.